Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways because I've got them going on all the time. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter that giveaway. I have many other giveaways going on right now, as well as I've got some huge big ones coming up. Last I looked, about 825 subscribers. When we hit that 900, we'll do another one. When we hit that 1,000 subscriber, I have I've been putting stuff away for this for a very long time, and just a way for me to say thank you to you guys because you guys mean the world to me. There is the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette is in that giveaway, so make sure that you are subscribed because that's the #1 rule for all my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber to win. So today we are talking Boxycharm. And a lot of times when I do my unboxings, there's products in it for me, and then I set aside products for future giveaways. So we'll see what's all in here. This is the Boxycharm Luxe box. This box ships out once a quarter, so this is the March box. It is $50, so that month you will not get your base box, which is $25, and instead you'll be upgraded to the Luxe box, and so it's not an extra $50 on top of your $25, so it's an extra $25. And to get the Luxe box usually has 8 full-size items in it, where the base box only has base box only has 5 items for $25. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Lots of paper. So I do have version number 11. This card talks about all the different products. So the first thing that I am pulling out, I've heard a lot about this. This is the Boxycharm's own. This is the first time they've ever done any product of their own. This is the Hello Charmer palette. Retails for $39. And this exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmer shades made especially with our charmers in mind. This highly pigmented color delivers maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for traditional day to night looks. Net weight is 8.4 grams. It is cruelty free. It is made in Taiwan. And I love how they put down here, a bunch of their different Instagrams where you have Boxy Bellas, Boxy Baddies, Boxycharm Swap, Boxycharm Canada. Anyway, so there's a bunch of that here on this side. Ooh, these are really, really pretty. Has a mirror on this side, and then here are your shades. Look at that glisten. So this one immediately caught my eye. It's called Swipe Up. You turn it one way, it looks pink. You turn it another way, it looks peach. Almost has maybe like a little green in it too. Can you see how it switched? Really cool. This full size changes between blue and purple, depending on how it is. And here's this turquoise. Fun shades. So because I do eyeshadow palette giveaways here on this channel, I'm going to save this for an upcoming eyeshadow palette giveaway for you guys. The next product that I'm pulling out is NARS. It's their Permanent Lip Pigment. I have it in the shade London Calling. I think I already own this one. Yeah, I do. It's this really, really pretty mauve. So because I already own it, putting this one in a giveaway for you guys. And this is the Paramount Lip Pigment, Potency and Precision, the Ultimate Power Couple. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Fluid Pigment Complex. Liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel introduces the intense matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long lasting wear. Does retail for $25. Ooh, I have a couple of these. This is Spongella. It is in their Precision Pair. It's basically a sponge that has a soap already built into it, and you kind of keep it in your bathroom, lather it up, and then you don't have to worry about putting soap on anything, and then wash your body with it. So I do like these. This is the Body Wash Infused Buffer. Spongella's unique Body Wash Infused Buffer changes instantly underwater as you squeeze. From essential exfoliating massage texture, it does start off kind of hard and gives you more exfoliating, and then the more you use it, the more it gets wet, the more softer it becomes. From essential exfoliating massage texture to soft as silk, our patented technology provides a guaranteed number of 14 plus washes. For me, guys, it lasts way more than 14. I would say 30 to 45 probably. Then that's just me. I mean, everybody else probably, you know, if you use a ton and whatever, everybody's different on how much soap and everything that they use. From Sol de Janeiro. So I was under the impression, and maybe I'm wrong here, you guys can correct me if I am, that Boxycharm were supposed to be sending full-size products, and especially in a Luxe box. I'm surprised they're putting sample sizes in here. For a box that costs $50, be putting the full size in here. This one, I had one because they put them in pass boxes. Smells like movie popcorn. So this Duo Sol de Janeiro Iconic Body Cream, complete with the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which helps to visibly tighten the appearance of skin with an addictive pistachio and salted caramel scent. That's this one. I really, really, really like that one. The Coco Cabana Body Cream provides 72 hours of hydration with a deliciously complex fragrance of young green coconut cream, tropical orchard, and toasted praline. Movie flavor popcorn. That's what this one is. Retail of the two of these together retails for $15. I really like this one. I wish it wasn't a full size. This one, who wants to go to bed hungry? Because then you're just thinking about how hungry you are, and then you might do the midnight fridge runs that you shouldn't be doing. So you were able to pick a product. You could either pick a palette, or what I picked was the Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for the eyes. This deeply quenched the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extracts seal in moisture, help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin. I do have dark circles and wrinkles, and so I was all about this one. So here's what this looks like. Can you see that that the product only goes down to here though? I mean, you don't need a lot for an eye cream, but I just thought that it would have more in it for being $70. A little safety seal here. There isn't a smell, so I love that. I'm not big on putting fragrance in items. So I'm excited about this one. From Bombshell Baker is a glitzy gold stainless steel straw set. Retails for $21. Enjoy your favorite beverage while looking good and being environmentally friendly with this 5-piece stainless steel straw set. Includes 4 gold straws and 1 cleaning brush. So it's this cute little case. I am trying to be, like everybody, more environmentally conscious. So here are the 4 gold straws, and then here is your little cleaning brush. By Zoeva is the Premier Blush Palette. It's 2 highly pigmented blush shades in shimmering pink and 1 matte terracotta. Plus 1 champagne highlighter will help you shine brighter than ever. The Premier Blush Palette 1920 showgirl illustration will have you feeling extra cheeky. Full size, which this is, retails for $19. So it does have a sleeve here. So there's a Fame and Fortune. This one is $19.29, and this is the terracotta matte curtain call. They're pretty warm tones. I don't do warm tones, so I'm gonna save, they just don't look good on me. So I'm gonna save this one for an upcoming giveaway as well. Finally, from PMD Beauty is the Smart Facial Cleanser. Retails for $99. It's a PMD Clean. It's a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute, and our Sonic Glow technology not only assures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. It does come with a battery. Here is the little case, so you can stand it up on your kitchen, or on your bathroom countertop. So how this kind of works is these are your soft silicone bristles that you kind of massage, get in, get all the gunk off. This one here, how it's got the rivets, is so you can massage in your serum. It is waterproof. It's ergonomic. It does have an ergonomic design, and so super. I do like that it's silicone, that it's waterproof, so I think this was really cool. So let me add up everything in here. So the total of this box was $304, so it's pretty good if you're gonna use this stuff. Like me, I'm not gonna use all of this stuff. You know, was it still worth the $50? Probably. But to me, it wasn't worth the $304. I know that Boxycharm has done better boxes in the past. I'm not talking dollar-wise. I'm just talking about products that I would personally use more. So let's recap here. We did get their Murad Hydrodermatic Eye Cream. Love this one. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum and Coco Cabana Duo. I just wish these were full size. Wasn't too big on the popcorn set one. This yellow one I really, really do like. The Boxycharm Charm Palette, I'm giving to one of you guys. The PMD Smart Facial Cleaning Device, I thought it was pretty cool. The NARS Paramount Lip Pigment, I already own it. The Zoeva Blush Palette, wasn't really my colors. The Spongella, I do like, I do use these. And then these just seem kind of like a bonus extra thing to me. I don't know. The Bomb Baker Glitzy Gold Stainless Straw Set. Yes, we're all trying to be more environmentally conscious, but it's like they're moving more towards the lifestyle brand. Like I've heard some people got earrings and stuff, so it's just random and different stuff than instead of just being strictly beauty items. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. Just hit that subscribe button twice, and it'll ask you if you want to turn on your notifications. Please turn them on all the time. That way you are notified when I do upload here, and so you don't miss out on all of the fun. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.